In this video, we will discuss about relations and function. I am going to take introductory part of relations and function in this chapter, in this video, sorry. So, first of all, we will revise the topics of previous class, that is 11th class. And the first topic is what? Ordered pair. I think all of you familiar with the ordered pair. Okay. So what is ordered pair? We will revise. It is a pair of elements listed in specific order separated by the comma. Like this. Okay, this is the first element and this is second element. Here the significance of order is there. Okay, AB is not equal to BA. यहाँ पे इनके order का significance है, means this is the first element of ordered pair and this is the second element of the ordered pair. Now after ordered pair we will discuss Cartesian product. Cartesian product is set of ordered pair. It is what? Set of ordered pair. Means there are so many ordered pair in the Cartesian product. And the Cartesian product is between what? Two sets. Suppose we have a set A and the elements of this set are 1, 2, 3. And another set B and the element of the set B are A and B. And if you want to find out the Cartesian product A cross B, okay, this is what? This is a order pair such that the first element belongs to the first set and second element belongs to the second set. Small b is second element, it belongs to the second set. Okay, so this is known as Cartesian product between the two sets. Here what we have? Cartesian product of these two sets A and B is what? First element is from the first set, so 1, and second element is from the second set, 1A. Second will be what? 1B, then 2 comma A, then 2 comma B, then 3 comma A, then 3 comma B. Okay, so these are known as, this is known as, Cartesian product, and the element of the Cartesian product is what? Ordered pair. Means Cartesian product is what? Set of ordered pair. Okay, where the first element is from the first set and second element is from the second set. यहाँ पे ये जो इनका ऑर्डर है इसका सिग्निफिकेंस है, मीन्स ये फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट सेट से ही होगा, सेकंड एलिमेंट सेकंड सेट से ही होगा. मतलब इसमें जो है हम ऐसा नहीं कहेंगे कि A1 इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस, सो A1 इज नॉट एलिमेंट ऑफ A क्रॉस B. ये इस कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का एलिमेंट नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस इज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. नाउ we come to the relation. Now to understand the next thing, that is relation, we consider an example. Suppose we have a set A containing the 3 elements 1 to 3 and the set B containing the 9 elements 1 to 9. If you want to write the Cartesian product of A and B, then it will be 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, and you know that it is 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9, and then 2 1 2, 2 2 3, then 3 1 3. Okay, so last तक आपको मिल जाएगा 3 8 and 3 9. Okay, means 9 3 27 elements are there in the Cartesian product of A and B. But if we define a relationship between A and B, if we define the relationship between first and second element. If we write this Cartesian product, this up to now what we write, अभी तक हमने क्या लिखा था कि A क्रॉस B जो है वो क्या होता था, एक कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट है. ओके, where this A is belongs to the set A and B is belongs to the set B. ये कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में लिखा था. लेकिन इसमें एक चीज और हम ऐड करते हैं. What? Relationship between A and B. If there is a particular relationship between A and B, then that Cartesian product will become a relation. See, suppose I write here AB is such that A belongs to A and this B belongs to B, but this B is square of A. Okay, so this Cartesian product, this A or B, this is the relation. R for relation. This is the set builder form of relation. ये रिलेशन का क्या है, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म है. अगर मैं इस रिलेशन को लिखूं तो क्या लिखूंगा, 1 स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 1 ही होगा. 2 स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 4. 3 स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 9. ठीक है, इस बार 9 के बाद हमारे पास ये नंबर्स नहीं है, 3 के बाद इस बार नंबर्स नहीं है. तो ये वाला सेट है, इस सेट में क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स हुए, 1 1 2 4 एंड 3 9. ये 3 ऑर्डर पेयर है. एंड हियर वी हैव 27 ऑर्डर पेयर. ओके, मीन्स this type of Cartesian product is known as what? Relation. Okay, there is a relationship between first element and second element of a ordered pair. Okay, the same relation is there in this ordered pair and the same relation is there in this ordered pair. So first thing is what? The elements of relations are from what? Cartesian product. Means relation is subset of Cartesian product. We will write either A or B or single R. R से भी हम इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, इस रिलेशन को R से भी हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. तो ये जो रिलेशंस होगा, रिलेशंस में ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट एलिमेंट जो है फर्स्ट सेट से होगा, सेकंड एलिमेंट सेकंड सेट से होगा. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में भी ऐसा ही है. मीन्स ये जो रिलेशन के सारे एलिमेंट्स जो है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में है. Means this relation is what? Subset of Cartesian product. कभी कभी पूरा पूरा आ जाएगा तो इक्वल टू Cartesian product. So relation is what? Subset of Cartesian product and there is relationship between the first element and second element of the Cartesian product. Means first element और second element में कुछ न कुछ आपके पास relations होगा. ठीक है, so that type of Cartesian products are known as what? Relations. Means relations are what? Subset of Cartesian product. Relation जो है Cartesian product के subset होंगे. अभी जो हमने relation देखा था, we will try that relation, try to show that relation with the help of Venn diagram. उस रिलेशन को हम वेन डायग्राम की हेल्प से देखेंगे. उस रिलेशन में क्या था कि दिस द एलिमेंट ऑफ बी इज स्क्वायर ऑफ, मीन्स द सेकंड एलिमेंट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. अगर मैं उस रिलेशन को डायग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करूं तो इस टाइप से होगा. ठीक है, यहां से हम कुछ चीजें डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं. First thing is what? This 1 is image of 1, 4 is image of 2, this 9 is image of 3. Means second element in the ordered pair when we define the relation is called image of the first element. ठीक है, ordered pair हमने क्या लिखा था, इस रिलेशन को हमने किस टाइप से लिखा था, 1 1 2 4 3 9. इस रिलेशन को हमने इस टाइप से लिखा था. तो द सेकंड एलिमेंट ऑफ एवरी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इन दिस रिलेशन इज इमेज ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. मीन्स 1 is image of 1, 4 is image of 2, 9 is image of 3, and the first element is called pre-image of second element. Is 1 is pre-image of 1, 2 is pre-image of 4, 3 is pre-image of 9. Okay. So here pre-image of 1 is 1, pre-image of 4 is 2, pre-image of 9 is 3. Okay. Now more things. Domain. Domain is what? Set of pre-images. The set of pre-images is known as domain. It is what? Set of pre-images. अब प्री इमेजेस क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? 1, 2, 3. These are what? Pre images. So the domain is what? 1, 2, 3. Now codomain. The whole set B. This set B is known as codomain. And one more thing is their range. Range is what? Set of images. Images are what? 1, 4, 9. So the range is what? 1, 4, 9. These are the three most important things in the relation. Okay. 1 is image of 1. मैं वापस रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ. 4 is image of 2. 9 is image of 3. Okay. And the set of pre-images, these are pre-images. Set of pre-images is domain. This is codomain. ये पूरा codomain है, ये domain है. But the set of images, okay, images are what? 1, 4, 9 is called range. And this range is subset of codomain. जो range है, ऑब्वियसली जो रेंज है वो कहां से मिलेगी आपको? कोडोमेन में से मिलेगी. कभी कभी इक्वल भी हो सकता है. तो रेंज इज सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन. ओके, सो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स अबाउट द रिलेशन. इन नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशंस.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो